Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, and we can see here we've had a lot of action today. The dollar moved up. If we look back real quick at what happened today, we can go into the dollar, and I've been correlating this for you quite beautifully, that the dollar leads the way for crypto pumps and crypto dumps, more or less. And you can see the dollar index after it's been consolidating since its 105.5 high. We had our support dollar on this blue this blue ring right there. We came down to it in this falling channel. See that right there? And then we bounced off that blue ring where that green arrow is that said support. Dipped below it briefly. People thought the dollar was going to start to break down more. I thought this was a bullish consolidation in the dollar. And it's indeed been a bullish consolidation. And now we might make a run back up to these regional highs. And you can see if we go into the stock market tanked. The Hay Shine Index is tanked. It's going down. Both going down, not tanking. But they were up big this morning as the dollar started to rise from its low last night. After when the market opened last night, the dollar tanked about 0.75%. It allowed crypto and Bitcoin to run 3 to 5%. Some coins 10%. Stock market was up 300 to 500 points this morning. Nasdaq 300, and then they all finished the day under, right? And now you can see Bitcoin, which I did at work today, take a 75x short up here. I almost got liquidated though, but I didn't. Up here, I took one out as it was testing this, and then it pumped up, and my liquidation price was like $100 below where it got. I got a liquidation alert, forgot about it, and just checked just now, and I was up 260% on a 75x trade. So we cashed out that position because we got to wait and see what this is going to do now. You can see now we've broken back all the way down to the support zone that we were in, the top part of this white support zone. You can see we wicked on it right there. And if we zoom into the 15, you can see now we're getting our first buy candle after this drop. So what I would watch now for, as this is good support right here, to look to see if this can't get back above that white support zone and run back up towards that 30,817. That's a possible trade. But if it breaks down, you're likely to trade all the way down to here. Where's the other end of that? All the way down to this 29,063. Hey, what are you doing? Get back in here. No, you can't do that. What are you doing? Back in there. Come on now. You figured it out already. You finally figured it out. Ah, fucker. Now we got to shut the window on you. Sorry, the cat figured out he could jump out the window. You remember this guy, the program director? Tiny? Tiny. See him? Program director. He likes to go outside, but we can't let him go out without his leash or he might run away. So that's what I'd be watching out for right now. I'd be watching out for the underneath support down here at 29,000 even. And then if you can try to break back up on any one of these lines, you could pump back up to that 30,000. Let's see. XRP is flush too. And you can see we had a nice little pump up there out of that consolidation that we were in, but now we're breaking down. And now your next logical spot to come down and retest is this 37 cent level that we've been talking about for quite some time as we move out into the daily time frame. You can see after this big flush that we had, you can't go out after this big flush that we had. Like, look at this guy. Look at him. He's just opening the window. See him? Watch him. He'll open it. And now he's going to try to jump down there. Watch. He's crazy. You can't go out there. He's going to try to open it the whole way. He knows how to open doors and windows. Stop it. No. And that's your underneath support. You can see we had this bearish consolidation. And what we were warning about a few weeks ago when this first dumped and entered into this bearish consolidation is the technical target out of this one is from the top. If this is a bearish consolidation and proves to be it on a breakdown, your targeted move brings you down to 22 cents. And as you do know, that's Vincenzo's very near to our target of 19 cents from way, 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 way as we zoom out. No, from way back here when we were in this all last year in the summer and the fall. And then going into the winter time right here, remember during the Michigan football games over here, I was be doing updates. This was a 14-month symmetrical triangle, a neutral continuation pattern. Notice you have descending upper resistance and uptrending lower support, and you got a 90-degree angle at the beginning right there. That is a symmetrical triangle, which is a neutral continuation pattern. But old Vincenzo thought this would break down, and we had symmetrical triangle continuation pattern since April 2021, technical target 19 cents, right? And we've had that out here for quite some time. And now you can see if this breaks down out of this, that gets you right down almost to our 19 cent. That gets you to 22 cents, just above that 19-cent target that we've had ever since XRP was rising. Just like all those charlatans in the comment section love to come out every time it pumped a little bit. XRP will never go back below $1.50, and it does. XRP will never go below $1, then it does. XRP will never go below 70 cents, and then it does. Right? This dynamite technical analysis, state of the art company made, is showing you the way where this price is going to go. Stop it. It's showing you where this price is going to go, and we've been out ahead of the competition and out ahead of the charlatans, keeping you up to date and informed, non-biased, uh, point of view, and non-moon boy crypto laser beam eyes, $1 million, everybody gets rich tomorrow. Oh, Vincenzo said you could get rich tomorrow, but sometimes you got to take a short position out to do it, right? And we're continuing to be bearish as the dollar continues to rally and the Fed continues to tighten when we're only about a week away from the Fed raising interest rates in their 50 basis points, right? So that's what we're watching for XRP on its next big fall. If we zoom into the daily or the hour time frame, you can see we're racing down towards that 37 cents. If we can't hold at 37 cents, you're likely to fall pretty fast down into some of this lower support where you briefly broke down for a regional low. We're actually going to have to make another one of these down here. Let's go into here. Let's go into clone. Oh, come on. And let's pull that down. That would be an area where you're coming to next if you can't hold an XRP. Is all the way down here at 33 cents is your next leg down for a big double bottom, which was where Bitcoin could go if this doesn't turn around quickly. You could have a flash crash of 6 to 10% in all these coins. If you break that 37 cents, you're more than likely coming in at 33 cents underneath support, right? If we go look at Cardano, we had a great call on Cardano earlier. We were telling you last night when we did our video back here, if you could hold this and you could get a bounce, what to look for. And all you can do in technicals is try to put the probabilities in your bait in your favor. No, you're not going out there. And we talked about last night how right here, if you bounced, you could run all the way up into this major overhead resistance, and then it came down. And then we told you last night you could rally again and try to double top this, right? And look at that. You exactly, if we zoom in now, we almost exactly double top. We got rejected again by the bottom part of the orange support zone. And we know the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together to the shit house, right? And it's very bearish when you're trying to come up from underneath it, just like it's very bullish as a support if you're coming in from the top side. But if you get rejected by this, a regional bottom of 44 to 40 cents, and in a catastrophic breakdown, you could go all the way down to 32 cents. So we're going to keep an eye on this as we have lots of movement in the market. The coins continue to fall. I sold out of this a little too early. Like a jackass, I should have stayed in it. Would have been up massive amounts more money. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.